All right, guys, we're back on another US 30 market, and we can see right here the market is currently open, and the market will soon close right here. So I'm going to share with you guys how to trade this market and tell you, since this is a live trade session, I'm going to share with you where this market is currently going right here, so that you'll be able to see how accurate the strategy is. Okay, all right, let's get on with this strategy. Now we can see that this market is buying. This market is going to buy for a certain amount of time. Let's go over to the 1 hour time frame and check our entry. All right, from this point towards this point right here. Okay, the market have sold from here. The market have sold to this point. Now the market is going to buy. That's why you see that on the 1 minute time frame right now, the market is buying. Okay, the market is buying at the 1 minute time frame right now at this point. So if you place a buy right now, I just place a buy on this market. The market is going to buy right there. All right, so I was able to get that profit right there, and you can see I exited at this point right here, and whoa, that was huge, guys. That was huge. Immediately I exited the market bought up to this point in time. Okay, so the reason I exited this market is because I like focusing on my trade. I don't like trading and talking as well. So whenever I'm trading, I like to focus on the trade and not talk and trade, so that I don't lose focus on the trade. Okay, so we can see that this market is buying right now, and this market will buy. So I'll put on the RSI, which is the relative strength index indicator, the relative strength index on period 14. Apply to close. Then you can see I use for the levels on 90 and 10. I just want to share with you guys a good strategy that you can use to predict this market and always win on US 30. Then the main on 4, color black, the signal color red, fast EMA 14, slow EMA 24, MACD SMA on 10. All right, now this is a very good indicator for you to always trade this market. You can see when the MACD gets to this level of 10, the market will buy. Let's trace it with me, guys. From here you can see the market is buying right now. All right, we'll go over to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame right here. So this point right here, the market should buy, but we know that this 1 hour time frame is it takes hourly time for it to correspond properly. That's why you saw that there was a buy, there was a sell, there was a buy, there was a sell, there was a buy, but it will buy. All right, take a look from here. Now you saw that there was a buy, right? And even on the 1 minute time frame, imagine this was the place I exited this market right here. I was able to make a profit of 30 cents, right? But I just exited quickly because when I'm trading, I don't like talking when I'm trading. So it makes me to lose focus. So you see that's why I exited this market, and so that I'll be able to talk to you guys. So imagine if I had stayed in this market right now, I would have been able to make more profit. Take a look now. The market is buying right now. All right, so you can see at this point, market gets to the level of 10. The MACD gets to the level of 10. The market bought, right? Perfect. So we're seeing a huge buy in price movement on the US 30 market. The 1 hour time frame is already at the overbought, so this means that this market is going to buy. We're seeing a huge trend towards the upward trend of the US 30 market right now. Okay, on the US 30 market, the market is going to buy following an upward trend in price movement. On the previous trend right here on the US 30 market, the market sold, it bought at this point. We can see that the market have been following a downward trend for a certain amount of time, going downwards, upwards, going downwards, and right here the market is towards the overbought. Okay, but it's going to buy. The market is going to buy at that point in time. All right, so when you're trading this US 30 market, this is one of the best strategy that you can use to trade this US 30 market. All right, this is one of the best strategy you can use to trade this US 30 market and make profit successfully. All right, so this was where I ordered this trade and I exited at that point in time. Okay, so now the reason why this market is going to retest, it's going to start, selling pretty soon, but it will continue to buy. Okay, this market will continue to buy. If you take a look at this point, even when the market starts creating an upward trend, the market tends to buy until it gets to this level of 90. Okay, until it got to this level of 90 before it started to sell at that point in time. So now this market should, this market should buy, and it will sell, it will buy, it will sell, it will buy. So we're seeing a retest downwards to this point, but it's gonna buy pretty soon. When this market starts creating an upward trend, it's gonna retest. All right. So if you are trading this US30 market, I want you to leave a comment down below on the comment section. Tell me how you feel about this US30 market. Have you been making profits on this market steady? Have you been making profit on this US30 market? The market is just like, let me say, it's just as, not too hard like boom and crash market. The market is not really that too hard, because with simple analysis and indicators, you're able to tell where this market is going in time. You can just keep using the RSI and the MACD indicator to help you see where the price movement is going, and by that you'll be able to make profit all the time using this type of strategy. The US market, not that it's not a hard market to begin with. Take a look. All you need to do is just wait. When MACD gets to the level of 10, then you buy. When you get to the level of 90, you sell. As easy as that. Just keep following that same pattern. And remember that your lot size determines, you need to be, if you have a smaller account, make sure that you use the smallest lot size as you can, right? Then if you have a bigger account, then you can, double that lot size if you have a bigger account, so that you can multiply your profit, quickly and fast. Okay, so that you can multiply your profit. So what we're seeing here, this scenario we're seeing here, I want to explain to you guys, is that this MACD right now, it's creating a downward trend. All right, this MACD here that you're seeing is creating a downward trend. That's why you saw that the market started to retest. Whenever the market is creating a downward trend, the market will always retest. This is what you should pay attention when you're trading this US30 market. Take a look. This is the second MACD line this market is creating now. This is the first MACD line towards the downward trend. I want to show you another, what I'm talking about. I want to show you a good scenario. Look at it here. This is it, guys. Look at, this was the first MACD, right? Market sold. All right, it sold. Then there was a second one here. This was the second one here when it bought. This was the third one here. You can see that it started going upwards, then it retested. Immediately you saw that this market started to retest for a sell, and the line starts showing. Just know that it's creating a downward trend. When it's moving upwards, it's going to buy. Then it's coming down again, it's going to sell. It's going upwards, it's going to buy. It's going downwards, it's going to sell. Just like that. And this is what is happening right here. This is what is going. If this MACD now go upward a little bit, let me mark here. So here, at this point, if this MACD now should shorten, like, how would I put it now? If this MACD, the line that comes downwards, did not go, is not longer than this. This one is not longer than this. Know that the market is going to buy. Okay. Now this MACD, now this one that came through, it was longer, right? If the other one that came through, now, if it's not longer than this one, know that the market will start to buy, going upwards. So these are the pattern of the MACD you should watch out for if you are using it to trade this US30 market. All right, if you are using it to trade this US30 market, that's why you see that when you're trading all this type of market, you should always pay attention. Pay close attention to the chart and the trend line, so that you don't end up losing your trade. Okay, so that you don't end up losing your trade. That's why I saw that I quickly exited at that point. I quickly exited the market because I don't want to end up with a losing trade, so that we're able to focus. So I exited the market so that we're able to talk to you guys and share, this strategy with you guys. All right. this market is going to sell, is going to buy. All right, when the market starts creating an upward trend, is going to buy. Let's observe. See now, this MACD now is creating an upward trend, right? Let's see. At this point right here, it's actually creating an upward trend. All right. If the next line that come through is not longer than this one, it's going to continue. Okay. Remember, it takes 1 minute because we're on the 1 minute time frame. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see. If the next one that breaks out is shorter than this line, it's going to go upwards. I think that's what want to happen here. That's what's about to happen here at this point. If it's shorter than this, the next one is going to go upwards. But all right, it retested. Let's wait for this other line. After 1 minute now, it's going to break out. Let's wait up for this one to be complete. All right, the market is going to sell. It's going to continue to sell because this line that came through was longer than this line. This line that came through was longer than this line. So the market is going to sell. It's going to sell, as you can see. It will only retest if the next line that came through is going to sell, just as you see. And it has not gotten to this point. If the next one that come through was able to reach this level of 10, then it will retest. And if the other one that also come through is shorter than this line, is going to retest as well. So you can see that this strategy and this MACD is a bit, tricky. You need to, for you to be able to understand this, you need to be able to study this MACD perfectly so that you'll be able to use to trade this USD market and understand it perfectly. All right, guys. So this is going to be the end of this trading session for US30 Wall Street market. All right, almost at the level of 10, but it will start to retest. Take a look. It almost gets to this level of 10. So the market should start retesting now, going towards the upward trend. All right, so if you found value and if you are able to learn a thing from this trading, do well to like and subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex, for more trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next video.